Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Ayan, so ito yung reading natin for Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Bali, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat, ha. Alam niyo naman yan, kasi hindi naman to personal reading. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Trader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan, pwede kang magpa-personal reading sa kanya. Friend ko yan, guys. Magaling din pong tarot reader. So anyway, this is for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading. This is for Virgos. By the way, this is love reading, ha. Main energy. Pwedeng ikaw to, pwedeng ito person mo, ha. We do have here the Devil and the Knight of Cups. You do have here Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Actually, nakuha ko na yung energy mo na being a person na pagdating sa isang relationship, gusto mo ikaw yung masunod. You are the devil. Capricorn energy. Minsan, it's not a bad thing naman na ikaw yung masunod. Hindi naman bossy kind of energy, pero minsan nagiging ganon. Maybe yung iba sa inyo kasi may kinalaman yun sa kaugalian mong being perfectionist. 'Di ba? Parang gusto mo as much as possible, you could offer this love or you would give this love to the person na mahal mo, pero at the same time gusto mong baguhin siya according sa kung ano dapat yung maging siya, no? Because maybe for some of you ganun ka talaga magmahal eh. Gusto mo perfect yung person na ito, kumbaga sa makikita sa kanya ng ibang tao. Gusto mo ayusin niya yung ugali niya, yung ginagawa niya sa buhay niya, parang ganon. Pag nakikita mo na parang wala nang sense yung mga pinagagawa niya, sasabihin mo talaga yun sa kanya. And it is because ayaw mong maging pangit yung tingin sa kanya ng iba. 'Di ba? Parang sa pakikipagrelasyon sa'yo, gusto mo may commitment wherein ayaw mo ng relationship na putyo-putyo lang. Parang gusto mo ayusin mo yung ayusin niya yung ugali niya and yung actions niya, and then after that maybe yung iba sa inyo pag nakipagrelasyon sinasabayan ng pera eh. So ibig sabihin pwedeng pati yung kakonect mo parang tinutulungan mo siya na ma-achieve yung goals niya pagdating sa finances niya. Parang gusto mo maging successful din siya. Wala naman ako nakitang mali doon eh. I think it's fine. Bakit? Eh kasi kailangan bumuo kayo ng plano. Magkarelasyon na lang rin naman kayo. Di dapat may plano kayo, may goals kayo sa buhay. 'Di ba? I feel like pag ikaw nakipagrelasyon, mas gusto mo yung long term. And as much as possible, yung person na kakonect mo, ayusin niya yung kaugalian niya para magtagal yung relasyon ninyo, yung connection ninyo. Alam mo yon, gusto mo yung relasyon ninyo at connection ninyo may patunguhan. Okay? Yun yung nakukuha ko sa'yo as a person kung paano ka makipag-relasyon. Okay? So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate doon, maybe this is not your reading or might be ito yung side ng person mo. Ganito siya. Okay? Ganyan siya. And who is this person that you're dealing with? Spirit guides, angel guides for our Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Para sa mga Virgos, please. Person na connect mo. The Three of Cups, the Three of Cups is here. Nine of Pentacles. The World is here. I don't know if you're dealing with someone na parang may long distance connection sa inyong dalawa. Or, kung hindi man, I can see friendship sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to. And I feel like Hindi ko alam kung sino. Someone here is parang siya yung mas nagbibigay. So, hindi ko alam kung ikaw yon or siya. Pero yung energy is that isa sa inyo ang mas higit na mas nagbibigay sa connection na ito. The world, sorry, this is not the world, this is the Empress, okay? This is the Empress. Pero as you can see, nandito yung sa kanyang tiyan yung world. So maybe, yun nga, maybe may kinalaman yun sa distance. But with the Empress, I see this person na parang sobrang attracted ka sa kanya. Because she looks so pretty, babae man o lalaki. Maaaring attracted ka sa kanyang itsura, sa kanyang ginagawa sa pamumuhay niya. Nakikita mo siya as someone na matapang. With over the strength card. Yeah. So, pwedeng may energy siya na nagmamatigas siya, no? Sa connection na ito, na siya yung lumalayo, na siya yung umiiwas. You do love this person, pero parang mas nakikita mo, mas nakikita mo yung sarili mo as a negative person. Parang hindi yata tayo match eh. Kasi parang yung ugali ko, hindi mo magugustuhan kasi ganito ako sa pakikipagrelasyon. Masyado akong demanding, masyado akong perfectionist. Pangit ang ugali ko sa pakikipagrelasyon. This is you. Ito yung side mo ha, pero yung iba sa inyo, this is your person side. Anyway, so ayun. But you do admire this person. So yung iba sa inyo, wala kayong relasyon but you are friends. Diba? Pero yun nga, pwedeng gusto mo siya. Anyway, ano yung mga nasa isipan at emotions ninyo ng person na ito? For Virgos, please. For Virgos. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, wag mong kunin yung mga messages na hindi mag-relate sa'yo. Healthy choices, and you do have here self-indulgence and hand of cards. Okay. So, how about sa side ng person mo? For Virgos, please. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay, you do have your photograph. Love is here. Okay. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi ikaw yung may gusto dito sa person na ito, maybe this person, no, sorry. Kung hindi mo mahal itong person na to, maybe gusto mo lang siya, as a person, nagugustuhan mo itsura niya, and everything na ginagawa niya, for you, ang tingin mo sa kanya is perfect, pwedeng ganon. And itong person na ito, nakakaramdam tayo ng love sa kanya. So siya, kahit ano man yung itsura mo, kahit ano mang ugali mo, this person loves you, gusto ko niya, mahal ka niya. And with the healthy choices, I feel like for now, masyado kasi yung sarili mo ang iniisip mo dito sa connection eh. I feel like you're focusing on yourself. I don't know, maybe marami ka pa namang other choices. Hindi lang itong person na to. You know? Or maybe, kailangan mong mag-take ng chance or mag-take ng risk dito sa person na ito. Okay? For now, you want to focus on yourself. Kasi gusto mo ng growth. No? I feel like you want to talk to this person. Gusto mo siyang kausapin. Gusto mo talaga siya eh. Gusto mo siyang kausapin. Maybe, I feel like, nag-hesitate ka lang. Dadalawang isip. Or hindi mo alam kung ano sasabihin mo. But, for now, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas mo dito sa person na ito. And, yeah. Pwedeng mas komportable kang kausapin yung iba kasi ngayon hindi mo nga alam yung gagawin mo sa kanya. You know? Oh, the world is really showing here, guys. So, dito sa ating deck na ito, nagpapakita talaga sa atin yung the world, which is yung distance or separation na meron sa inyo nitong person na ito. Okay, so for your person, sabi ko nga, mahal ka nitong taon to, there's a lot of passion, namimiss ka niya, and I feel like, we do have your cassette and camera. I don't know, you do have a lot of memories together. Okay, marami kayong memories ng person na ito. And yung sa ngayon, unsure or hindi rin sigurado, itong person na ito regarding sa connection ninyo might be feeling niya you're my soulmate. Pero parang hindi rin siya sure doon because I feel like sa nakukuha natin, pwedeng there's another kakonect. Hindi ko alam kung sa'yo or sa side ng person mo, pero pwedeng may iba pang kausap. The seduction and the girl talk is here. Yeah, love call is here. So, pwedeng may iba pang kausap. Pwedeng yung person mo yun. Yung person mo. And then, hindi rin siya sigurado sa future ninyong dalawa. And kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Actually, hindi rin siya sure doon. Okay, so for now, I can see a lot of attraction dito sa taong to. Sabi ko kung ano ka, tanggap ka niya, mahal ka niya. Okay, so what will be the future between the two of you? You do have here the Strength card and the Ace of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Judgment is also here. Bottom of the deck is a Two of Cups. Okay. For your person in the future for Virgos, please. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Future for Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. 10 of Wands, the Judgment. Oh, pareho kayong may Judgment energy. And at the bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. And then you do have here the Queen of Wands. Okay, yusin natin. Actually, in the future, you are the King and Queen of Swords here. Okay, nasa side mo yung Queen of Swords. Knight of Cups is also here. Ito yung ito yung main energy mo. The Lovers. Okay. Ten of Swords and Two of Cups. I don't know about you guys, pero nakikita natin, pwedeng possible lang relationship sa inyo nitong taon to. But you have to take the risk. Ikaw yung kailangan mag-take ng risk dito. If you want Two of Cups or yung relasyon, commitment sa connection na ito, you have to take the risk. Kailangan mong mag-take ng risk. 'Di ba? Or, yung iba sa inyo, you might cut off this person with the Queen of Swords. So, kung ika-cut off mo siya, actually, I can see a lot of money coming in here for you. Career, stability para sa'yo. And it is because magfo-focus ka talaga sa sarili mo. You are being the Page of Swords here. But, maaaring the Ten of Swords, mahal mo tong person na ito, pero sobrang sakit lang yung mararamdaman mo kasi hanggang kailan ka maghihintay. If you're waiting for this past person with the Three of Swords, lalo na kung may another person na involved dito, patuloy pa rin yung paghihintay mo kasi nasa sayo yan kung paano mo ito babaguhin with the Magician. Kung paano mo i-handle tong connection ninyo. Okay? High chance ang relationship, commitment, pakikipagrelasyon sa taong ito, pero kailangan mo nga talagang mag-take ng risk. Nasa sayo yung risk na energy eh. Especially, the Hand of Cards is here. Kung makikita mo, take a chance, risk. Okay? Being strategic. Okay? So, ikaw to, kailangan mo sumugal talaga sa koneksyon na ito kung gusto mong maging para sa'yo itong taong ito. Kasi although may third person, kakonek itong person na ito, this person with the Ten of Wands, willing siyang iwan yun eh. Ten of Wands, can you see the energy here? So, parang babaeng may kasamang, hindi ako sure kung anong hayop to. It's like a bull or what. Buffalo or what. Pero, kung makikita mo, ayan o, may mga dala-dala siyang bagahe and it's like number 10 is an ending. And this person is willing na iwan kahit nasa takas na siya, kahit nasa tuktok na siya, guys. Yan o. Kung makikita mo, parang ito yung road niya and parang talagang doon siya galing sa taas. Willing siyang bumaba, magsimula ulit and to leave everything behind and to be with you. Okay? Why? You do have the judgment. Yeah, you could be dealing with your soulmate. And then the person na to, you have the power na pag nagsalita or nakipag-usap ka sa kanya, sabihin mo kung ano talaga nasa isip mo. This person will understand you spiritually. Okay? May power ka na parang mapapasunod mo siya and I don't know, whatever this new beginning here with the Ace of Pentacles na i-offer mo sa kanya, kahit anumang new beginning ang i-offer mo sa kanya, this person is willing to take it with the Queen of Wands. Eh, kung makikita mo, it's like this is your hand. This is you offering this Ace of Pentacles. Ikaw ito, na kung i-offer mo itong Ace of Pentacles, can you see the hand of the Queen of Wands? Oh, kung makikita mo yung hand ni Queen of Wands, this is your person. This person is willing to take it. Willing siya tanggapin eh. It's like this. O para siyang willing to take or nanghihingi or kinukuha. Itong whatever Ace of Pentacles, this is like your new beginning. This is like yung whatever you can offer. 'Di ba? Buong-buo tatanggapin yan ng person ito and magiging masaya siya dyan sa pagtanggap na yan. Okay? So, yun yung nakukuha natin doon sa reading. And also, at the same time, with the Queen of Swords, if you would choose na iwan or hindi gumawa ng actions dito sa person na to, the King of Swords is here. Magmamatigas lang tong person na to. And with the Knight of Cups and the Lovers, kung sino man yung mag-offer sa kanya ng commitment, ng love, nandun lang siya. Nandun lang siya. Like, I have no choice. Dito tayo. Sige. Kasi ito yung nag-offer ng love and commitment sa akin. Then, fine. Diba? Pero, like what I've told you, lalo na with the Ten of Swords, kung gagawa ka lang ng paraan or ikaw yung magte-take ng risk, this person, kahit siya ay nasa isang relasyon, is willing to end the relationship para magkaroon ng connection sa inyo. Whether nalalabas na ikaw ang third party dito, Three of Pentacles and Five of Wands, kahit magiging challenging at mahirap, this person is willing to, let's say, end yung relationship na meron siya ngayon to have you. Knight of Swords is here. Okay? I don't know kung bakit ganoon mag-isip yung person na ito. Maybe, yun na nga matapang siya. Matapang siyang tao. Alam niyang kakayanin niya. So, kahit simula siya sa simula ulit, okay lang. Alam niyang kaya niya. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs. Guys, kung hindi mo pa alam, meron tayong Unicorn Princess Tarot din na, ano tawag dito? Na TikTok. Yan. Please do follow me there. At saka magla-live ako dyan kasi ako nagla-live sa TikTok at saka doon sa isang account ko dito sa YouTube, which is the Madam P Vlogs. Feel free to check it out. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.